Sexuality in girls isn't explored as much as it should be. Everyone gets freaked out. It's quite a taboo thing for girls to want to have sex. It's never black and white on Game of Thrones. If you think it's black and white, you're watching it wrong. Basically, me and Ed Sheeran are kind of Twitter friends. Well, I say that. He probably just thinks I'm weird. I'm a little bit awkward on Twitter. Like, I'm never really sure what to say. I have never really done acting before, 'cause dancing was my first love. And then I sort of fell into it from a talent competition and never really looked back. People are like, "What's Game of Thrones about?" I'm like, it's in the title. For real, this is a game for the Iron Throne. No matter what character you are, you're sucked into that at some point. They're always like, "That's not what happened in the books, so this show's really bad now." But really, they just feel insecure because they're used to knowing what's coming next. I have this really bad habit of doing things on the internet and forgetting that the whole world is going to see it.